could you do BTC TA on monthly candles? Interesting. Let's do that right now. So as you can see, this trend line, this trend line is very important. We've gone below it and above it, broken above it, and broken below, but we've tested it, right? Interesting enough, we've tested this trend line because I've had it forever. And so this trend line is very important. You can see it's on a monthly. Clearly, it's an indication that once we break above this trend line, that's a breakout to all-time highs. Right now, on the monthly basis, Bitcoin is, this is a buy zone for Bitcoin. I'm going to save this. This area, this green area is a buy zone for institutional players. They're buying in this area. They're trying to convince you to give up your Bitcoin in that green area. And so that they can buy it up, because they're going to be selling it to you above the all-time high. That's when they're going to start unloading as this thing, as they buy down here, because that's what they do. They buy low and sell high. So, and they're patient enough to wait whatever it takes to get to there. So let's just take a look and see if there's additional levels of support. I would like to see this be a support level here, and just see if this level here becomes support. And if it does, right? Well, look at that. There's the 19,000, 20,000 area. So, I mean, in this area is where we could see Bitcoin, bounce off of in the next little while. And also, if we do some Fibonacci retracements, 78.6 is down here. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. I think 6 months before we can see 5 to 6 months before we see it come down and retest this area. If it could do it, obviously this month, right? But if it does, right, then that would mean 18,000, and that would be a rapid move down, right? I don't think they're going to get that. We're probably going to be. It's going to be a fight. There's going to be a lot of blood here for a little bit, but then it's going to eventually get down here sometime sooner rather than later. We won't get to the 15,000 again, so don't even think about it. You'll be lucky if you get in at the 20K, because it will be a fight to get down there. So it's not going to be an easy thing for the price action to be down there. We could end up with we could very well end up with a reversal here, and just like we have right here, this was down and then reverse. Anyways, yes. So this thing could reverse on us fairly quickly, just like it did down here, and then we can be back in a bull market. But it looks like this trend line is going to be a SOB. In order to break, we have to break that trend line, and that could indicate a positive run for Bitcoin if we do break it. So we gotta wait and see what happens. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next week for a live show. Cheers.